Hi guys, welcome to Second Opinion. The current pandemic has completely changed our lives from wearing masks to personal hygiene and even worrying about the things we touch when we're outside. I'm Alex and I want to introduce you to MiLi PhonePure, a pouch that can disinfect anything that can fit inside it. This pouch comes in one colorway, gray and black, which I prefer. It's built with an Oxford material and has two pockets on its sides where you can put your power bank in, allowing you to have all your handheld devices in one tidy package. Living up to its name, its main purpose is to sterilize and disinfect phones. Since according to recent studies, phones gather 10 to 18 times more bacteria than the common toilet. As a result, the PhonePure allows you to clean everything that can fit inside it, such as smartphones, money, car keys, eyeglasses, jewelry, and so on. It measures 6.9 inch, so it can fit even the iPhone 11 Pro Max. You can plug it in any USB power source such as a computer, a car charger, or a wall plug. For convenience, I'd prefer to have my MiLi power bank just so I can use it on the go. Once you put your items inside, zip it closed, then plug it in. A beeping sound will notify you if the pouch is correctly zipped, and then it will begin the sterilization process. It will beep again to remind you when the process is finished, which takes a total of 5 minutes. Now I'm sure you're curious as to how this really works, so let's talk about the tech in detail. The sterilization pouch contains 8 primary radiation points with a reflective lining that maximizes disinfection within 360 degrees. Using UVC technology with a wavelength range of up to 265 to 280 nanometer, the MiLi PhonePure kills bacteria and viruses at the DNA and RNA level. It also has a built-in safety feature that deactivates the process if the magnetic zipper becomes undone at any time, like if it gets opened accidentally or if you need to use your phone mid-process. The pouch will also not work if the zipper is not fully closed. This safety feature is to avoid exposure of the UV light to the user. I also want to clarify that it kills bacteria and viruses. It will not remove dust or dirt off your phone or any object that you put inside the pouch. If the pouch gets dirty, you can only clean it with wet wipes. Do not soak it with alcohol or any other liquids. There are also quite a number of misconceptions and fears about UV light technology. However, the only risk UV light entails happens during direct exposure. That is where the safety feature of the PhonePure matters the most. Even the slightest unzip will deactivate the disinfecting process. It's really light and easy on the pocket because the MiLi PhonePure retails at $8.50 and you may buy it from their official Lazada store or Facebook page. You may find the links down below or on our website secondopinion.ph. I'm Alex and I hope you stay safe.